Day 234 of opening a Pokemon booster pack every single day for an entire year. Today we have Surging Sparks. We've got an Excadrill. I use this Pokemon a lot in my Legends ZA playthrough. It's actually really, really nice. A Quaxwell. Is this 2 cards? A Morlul. Ooh, a Helioptile. I really like this card. We've got a Whalerion. Ooh, Armarouge. I love how it's like front and centered. Like very in your face. Pow. And a Azumarill. A Swablu Reverse. Grapploct Reverse. Ooh. And a Zarude Hollow.